In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run an Android phone on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is just Google BlueStacks, and you can go to the first result, bluestacks.com. This is an Android emulator that's going to simulate having an Android phone installed on your computer. So they will give you the download button right off the bat. So you can click download, and the installer for the Android emulator will download right away. Normally these take some time, so if it's slower, it's not your fault, it's their fault. We click the installer, hit run, yes. So basically here you can just click install now, or if you want to make some changes, if you want to change the place where it's saved, you can do it here. And it says that it requires 2 GB on your computer, so hopefully you have enough space. We click back and hit install now. Now that it has been properly installed and it's running, let's sign in with our Gmail account, because that's the only way we're going to be able to download apps from the Play Store. So click. Okay, so I've signed in with my Gmail account. Let me just open this real quick. Let's go to home, right? It's giving me some sort of tour, whatever. Yes. So basically these are the apps that I have installed. This is like the home screen for your phone. You go to Google Play and you install whatever game or app you want to install. Let's say Brawl Stars. So we install. So let's play some of this game. It keeps giving me tutorials, whatever. So we can move WSD. So basically now you can play any game you have on Android on your computer. So like, yeah. So basically that's how you install any Android app on your Windows computer. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like in this video and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.